Hey guys, back again. It's the Snagging Breakdown episode 4. Let's check out some more absolute shockers. The Snagging Breakdown, let's go.
Hey guys, back again and check out these absolute shockers. Look
Oh
at
my
the state
God.
of some of these walls. You filled these walls using your face.
Exactly. You filled those walls using your face, did you? They need to patch it, repaint it. That is shocking finishing.
Did you? Look at that. I think the bricklayer used his big toe to point some of this brickwork. Look at it.
Jesus.
Seriously, some of these walls are just strewn with cow pats that offend the eyes.
So they need to repoint a load of this brickwork. Dig out the mortar perps and repoint it. That finish is absolutely shocking.
Actually gonna have to take my eyes to counselling after looking at this brickwork. Let's look at something good.
Jesus.
This is a Taylor Wimpey property and the brickwork finish is absolutely
You can tell.
Look at
You can
it.
just tell looking at that property is nice, can't you?
Hey guys, back again and check this out. Look at this. I guess this wasn't inspected. Look at it. It's like
How can they leave a property like that? This property is handed over, right? The client's living in it, and under their bath is just full of rubble. So nobody checked it then, obviously. It's ridiculous.
a bomb's got off under the bath. This window frame is cracked. Look at this.
So that's probably going to get a professional repair, but I don't know how they repair that. But they are called magic men, so magic. Ridiculous! I don't know what they're going to do.
Some people ask, what do you get for £700,000? Well, in this case, you get fake weep vent.
So if you want to know how to fix fake weep vents, watch my last video, and I explain how it's done.
Look at that. We've got shocking finishes to the brickwork and pointing in numerous locations. Look at this.
Look
Who's
at
the
that.
winkle spanner that thought they did a good job with this fascia and soft?
Look at it. So there's no corner trims. Ah, it's just shocking. So they need to install corner trims, and some of the joints are absolutely ridiculous.
Look at that. It's ridiculous. Look at it.
See?
How's that even finished? We've got a damaged brick left inside of this bay window.
So this damaged brick, they'd have to remove the whole brick and replace it and make sure that the mortar matches so you can't see the repair. Otherwise, there'd have to be some sort of magic repair of this brick.
At another property, look at the state of this brickwork. We got
So, quite simply, the tolerance is 8mm, it's 12mm. You can quite clearly see there's massive deviation. So at the middle of the image, we can see massive deviation to the brickwork. If someone comes to buy this house and notices that, they might try and knock money off. So, how do you fix it? You knock the wall down and rebuild it. Simple.
tolerance is 8mm. Look at that. Shocking. The protection hasn't been removed from this smoke alarm. That's
So that's not going to work correctly. What they need to do, remove the protection, obviously.
not going to work. And all the timber in the loft is covered in mold.
So that timber needs cleaning, possibly treating, and monitoring.
Look at this. Now this is due to moisture and condensation that's built up throughout the winter months. So it just needs to be cleaned off before it causes
Look at
further
that.
issues. Look at this. It's disgusting. Hey guys, back again and check
Jesus.
out these absolute shockers. This is the worst mic.
That is the worst mitre joint I've ever seen in my life. They need to pull all that skirting off, cut it again, fit it properly, paint it, job's a good one, winner winner, chicken dinner. I'll see you later, next snag.
Joint I've ever seen in my life. We've got an absolutely shocking finish behind this toilet. Look
So they need to cut back that foam and patch it correctly.
at that. We've got some really poor patching around the
All this just needs patching.
radiator pipe work, and if you're trying to go for a good finish, you would install a collar as well afterwards. This
Exactly.
internal wall is 21mm out of plumb.
So internal walls, how you'd fix it is you would plasterboard and plaster the wall to bring the top back out. So it's called feathering, and all they'll do is fill out the wall where it's out and bring it into tolerance.
The tolerance is 8mm, shocking. And on this garage, we've got inconsistent and poor finishes
So this render just needs repairing, simple.
to the rendered reveals. The lintel is heavily marked and covered in dirt, and we
So they'll probably just paint that lintel to make it look a lot less unsightly.
got a cover trim missing. It's ridiculous. Hey guys, who's the flip-flop winkle spanner that signed off this loft? We've got extraction.
So we've got extraction fans not connected. They just need to connect them, obviously.
Now this one's quite serious, and I don't know what to call them other than fake lateral restraint straps, which have been not installed correctly.
All I can say is that needs to have lateral restraint straps which are screwed into the face of the panel, not faked and I don't know what is going on here. It's absolutely shocking. It should either be hooked over the panel or it should be screwed to the face of the panel. Not like it is. Or they should be installing lateral bracing and fixed in with ledgers. That is absolutely shocking. Let's move on.
First of all, the straps should span 3 trusses. They don't. Second of all, they should either be hooked over the top of the spandrel panel or fixed to the face of the spandrel panel. They don't do either. They've cut them down and screwed them once or twice into the ladders. This is what it looked like before it was cut down, and this is what they've done. Cut it down and butt it up to the face of the spandrel panel and screw it into the ladder.
I think I've had enough of this video already. Yeah, that is ridiculous. They need to... I can't even... How was that even signed off? Like, site manager, what are you doing? Warranty providers, what are you doing? Are you inspecting the lofts or are you not? Fake lateral restraint straps. Are you for real? Okay, guys, well, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed and that was a bit more informative for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment below and subscribe. And until next time, that's been the Snagging Breakdown. I'll see you later. Peace.